Hi guys, I'm Louis here today with NovSight to compare standard halogen headlights versus NovSight LED headlights, available at NovSight.com. So, the first important things we're going to compare is the brightness of both of them. We use these light methods to see how they perform. Okay, now let's turn on the halogen headlights. See how it goes. Maximum lux will be around 310 lux. And let's try the LED one. Maximum will be around 2150. So we might be 7 times higher than halogen headlights. So one of the things that people are always wondering about was the temperature difference between halogens and LED. So we got these infrared thermometers. We're going to test them out. The difference on temperature. Okay, let's light them up together. And we're going to wait for 10 minutes and see how they goes. Okay, I'm now pointing it right at this halogen bulb. The top temperature will be more than 200 degrees. And then let's see this LED headlight. It's showing about 40 or 50 degrees on top. And now we know the halogen is smoking hot and need more time to cool down. So, the way the halogen headlights apply light is actually inefficient. There is a lot of heat that's generated by the bulb. We decrease the life of headlights, which is about 500 hours. However, the LED headlights might approximately keep providing 50,000 hours of lighting. Sounds great to me. Due to the fact of lower temperature of LED headlights, they're safer and more energy saving compared with halogen headlights. So another advantage from LED headlights is the response time. So I got a modified projector light bulb housing to see how they perform. So we plug these two headlights in, and now we can see the standard halogen headlights take a bit more time to react. And the LED takes only less than a second to react. And this is quite important while driving down the road, because the flashing headlights can warn others drivers in some kind of safety purpose. So we've got our NovSight LED headlight installed, and we can see this color of light. It's very clean and nice. And here we are back on the road. We have installed these two headlights in our car, and on my left hand we installed these standard halogen headlights. Let's see how it goes. On my right hand we installed these NovSight LED headlights. They actually look so much brighter than the standard halogen headlight. In short, LED headlights has a better light visibility than the standard halogen headlights and shorter response time. LED is a good option for people looking for light upgrade, especially at night time, to increase safety for your vehicle, light disbursement in the road and everything. We'll upload videos about installation later on, so if you guys want to check out these LED headlights I used today, you guys can check the description box if you have any questions regarding to the products. Shoot us an email or contact us without hesitate via Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up later.